So dear students, from today I am going to start solution of chapter 5 of A.C. Verma book, that is Newton's law. Okay, and this is the first problem, and here the problem is a block of mass 2 kg placed on a long frictionless horizontal table is pulled horizontally by a constant force F. Okay, so a block of mass 2 kg is placed on a long frictionless horizontal table. Suppose there is a frictionless horizontal table. Okay, suppose there is a frictionless horizontal table and a block of mass 2 kg is placed here. A block of mass 2 kg is placed here. Okay, and is pulled horizontally by a constant force F. Suppose the constant force F is acting on this object. It is pulled, it is found to move 10 meter in the first 2 seconds. Okay, so first 2 seconds it is moving to 10 meter. Now find the magnitude of the force. So we have to find out the magnitude of this force. So this is a very simple problem. In fact, first 7 or 8 problems are very easy, all the chapters. Okay, so let me do one by one. We have to start with the very easy problem and have to go to the end. Okay, so this is the first problem. So here a block of mass 2 kg is placed over here and a force F is acting on this block. Now the basic concept is the Newton's second law. As mass is constant here, so force is equal to mass into acceleration. And I have not given here any vector sign because we need to find out the magnitude of the force. Okay, so F is equal to ma, and m is given here. What is m? M is 2 kg. So m is given here. So the only thing that we have to find out is acceleration. And to find out the acceleration, some relations are given, or some, you can say, data are given. That is, it is found to move 10 meter in first 2 seconds. Okay, so here the distance is given, how much distance it is covered in first 2 seconds it is given. That is the given data. You can say that s is equal to 10 meter, and the time that is required to travel this distance is 2 seconds. And obviously there is acceleration, there is an acceleration. Okay, that's why the force is F yet, or that's why we need to apply the force F. Okay, that is given here. So how we can find out the acceleration? So there is a relation between s and t and acceleration. Okay, and the relation is from the kinematics, you know, s is equal to ut plus half at square. But here is no initial velocity. Here is no talk of initial velocity. So let me assume that the initial velocity is 0. So if u is equal to 0, then s will be only half at square. Okay, so a will be, from here we can find out a will be 2s upon t square. Okay, and what is actually s here? S is, so a we can write 2 into s is 10 divided by 4, because t square, so it will be 4. So 2 will cancel out and it will be 5. So acceleration will be 5 meter per second square. Okay, so acceleration will be 5 meter per second square. So we have force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is 2 kg and acceleration is 5, so it will be 10 newton. Okay, so this will be the force. So this is a very easy problem. Okay, this is the first problem. So we have to just use F is equal to ma, the force equation, Newton's second law, and we have to use this expression s is equal to ut plus half at square, which is from kinematics, to find out acceleration. And now if we multiply mass with acceleration, we will get force easily. Okay, so this is a very easy problem, you can say. Thank you.